Hello, today we are going to study ending sound. This is the lesson of my English book 1. Look at the picture. Look at the picture means the picture लिखा हुआ है जो आप देख रहे हो ठीक ये पिक्चर है ये सारे जो हैं all of these are pictures. Look at the picture. ये मग डॉल सॉरी गोट ये कार बुक जो आप देख रहे हो नीचे ठीक है ये बुक है ये कार है ये ऑनियन है आयन क्वाल्ट स्टार शुरू से आप लुक एट द पिक्चर मीन्स स्पीकर एंड लिसनर both are aware about the same picture. Speaker, I am a speaker and you are watcher means you are listener. So both of you know about the same picture. Therefore the has been used. If I talk about the same, you know about it because the same has already been introduced before the same lesson. And the ring, it is the picture of the ring. You know, I know, therefore the has been used. This is the imperative sentence. Look. Here, look. You can write full stop or period. Full stop is called in British language as period is called in American language. Look. And at is preposition. After look, you have to use at. This is the preposition at. The picture means you know about the picture and write the ending sound. This is the period. Whenever any sentence is completed, definitely period must be used after the completion of each sentence. If you are not completing any sentence with period, definitely this is called punctuation. You have to write it in any way. And before starting, whenever you are starting a new sentence and you are about to write and you are writing a new sentence, you must write the new sentence with capital letter. So here, look at the picture and write the ending sound of the same pictures. Full stop. Therefore, the author has used capital letter of T. This is the new sentence. The first one is done for you. What could be its meaning? इसका कहने का मकसद ये है कि ये एक आपके लिए किया गया है. For you means आपके लिए. The first one, ये देखो ये आपको दिखाई दे रहा है ये केट है. इसका जो एंडिंग साउंड ये आपका लास्ट फर्स्ट लेटर आपका जो भी हो ठीक है आपका एक लास्ट लेटर भी होता है जिससे वो ख़त्म होता है. अभी कैट का अगर मुकम्मल स्पेलिंग आपको याद है तो यू हैड बेटर अटर द सेम कैट स्पेलिंग. कैट what must be its spelling? C-A-T. Then what's the ending sound? T. So T is the answer. What is this? Note it and spell it. And what's the ending sound of the same picture? This is pan. P-E-N. You have to write N here. Okay, this is the ending sound of the box. You have to write in the box. This is the box for it. Ring. This is called ring. And R is the first letter, a beginning sound, and R-I-N-G. G is ending sound. Yes, definitely you have to write G here in the box. I think it's visible. Yes. What's the picture? Sorry, what's the picture? It's Jeep. J This is the first beginning sound. Double EP. P is the ending sound. Okay, you have to write P. Yes, you can watch. I have written P, and it's correct answer of the same picture. And what the spelling of this one? Do you know about it? This is a hen. What must be his or its spelling? Hen. What the last or ending sound? An. Hen. An is the correct for it. You have to write here an. Okay, it's visible definitely. And what do you think? What do you know about the same picture? Do you know? Can you utter mug? What's its spelling? You may write M-U-G. G is the last or ending sound. Mug. Okay. Come to the next picture. What's its spelling? What's its spelling? N. V A N is the ending sound. Here you have to write an here. Okay? And doll, DOLL. So last letter definitely L. Okay? And what's this? It's goat. Do you know? Yes, you know. What's this spelling? Goat. T is the last ending sound. Okay, T. You are watching clearly, I think so. Come to the next picture. What is this? Book. B double O K. K is the ending sound. Book. Car. This is car. 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 R is the ending sound. Okay. This is onion. 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 This is an onion. And what's the spelling of this picture? And IRON. And an is the ending sound. Okay. And what's this? Quilt. T has been written. QUILT. T is the ending sound. Star. 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 R is ending sound. Okay, this exercise has been completed. Ending sound exercise has been completed, especially for you. You may revise T, N, G, P, N, G, N, L, T, K, R, N, T, R. Okay, come to the next exercise. Animals. This is the plural form of the animals. S has been used. Singular form must be without S. ANIMAL. This is the singular form. Animal. S has been used because there are so many animals you are watching. There are more than one. Therefore, animals have been written, and birds. And you're also watching, there are more than one birds. There what the author has used, birds. This is the plural form of bird. birds is the plural form. You can watch. This is the bird, this is bird, this is bird, 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 and bird. All of these are birds. And you are watching these. These are animals. You know about this animal. This is animal. This is an 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 animal. Okay, there are more than one animal, therefore the author has written animals, and there are more than one birds. And this is bird, this is a bird, this is a bird, this is a bird, this is a bird, this, therefore author has used birds. Okay, look at the pictures means there are more than one picture, therefore author has used plural form. And read, and you may write here full stop. Okay, full stop are period in American language, full stop is called in British language. Look at the pictures. This is an imperative sentence which has especially been written. And read. Okay, you may utter monkey. What's name? Spelling of Monkey. Tell me the vowels. O, E. Okay, and the rest of the letters are called consonant. Oh, which are the consonant? M, N, K, Y. Okay, good. Come to the next animal. And zebra. What is spelling? Zebra. Tell me the vowels. Hurry up. Your turn. Okay, only few seconds. E, good. E is vowel and A is vowel. Good. And the rest of the letters are consonant. Z, B, or are consonant. And what's this? Line. Lion. Lion. Vowels. Tell me vowels. I-O. Okay, these are vowels, and which ones are consonant? I is vowel, O is vowel, and consonant. L is consonant, N is consonant. Okay, come to the next animal. Sorry, beer. B-E-A-R. B. Tell me the vowels first. E, A. Good. And tell me consonants. B, R. Beer is also animal. And elephant. E, L, E, P, H, A, N, T. Elephant. How many vowels have been used here? E, E, A. Good. And consonant. Tell me the consonant. Your turn. Good. L, P, H, N, T. Okay. Come to the next word. Horse. H, O, R, S, E. Horse. Yes. And tell me vowels. O, E. Okay. What about consonants? Yes. H or S. Okay. You have completed 6 animals. Come to the next one. Deer. Which ones are? These are 4 letters. And 2 of them are vowel. E, E. You can also pronounce double E. Okay. And consonants D, R. Both of them are consonant, D and R. Okay. Come to the next animal. And what's its spelling? Giraffe. 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 Tell me the vowels. Hurry up. I good. A good. E. Excellent. Without vowel, you cannot make any sentence, okay? Or any word. And what about consonant? G, R, F, F. You can utter double F. Both of them are vowel. Sorry, consonants. Come to the next. Camel. What is spelling? Camel. Tell me the vowels. A, E. And consonant Cml. Okay. Animals names have been completed. Come to the birds. What is this? Yes, parrot. Tell me the vowels. A, O. And consonants P, R, R. Means double R, T. Parrot. And peacock. Spelling Peacock. Peacock. Okay. And tell me the vowels. Hurry up. Jot down vowels on your notebook. Pick up pen and jot down. Hurry up. Vowels waiting for you. Good. E. Good. A. And one is remaining. O. Okay. And what about consonant? P. C. C. K. Okay. And what's this? Duck. D. U. C. K. Duck. Vowels U, C. Okay. D, consonant. Which ones are consonant? D, K. Come to the last line and last few birds. Owl. O, W, L. O is only vowel. This one is only vowel, and the rest of letters are consonant. W, L. Okay. Ostrich. Vowels. Tell me vowels, please. O, good. I, good. And what do you know about consonants? S, T, R, C, H. Ostrich. What is this? Sparrow. S, P, A, double R, O, W. Spelling. Tell me vowels. Good. Hurry up, your turn. I've written it. Yes. I. A. Yeah. A is vowel. Good. O is vowel. And consonant S, P, double R, W. Okay. You knew about animals and birds from the beginning? Yes. Good. You are watching all of them? Yeah. Come to the exercise. Match. Match means activity A. Match the pictures. match the pictures with names. Okay, and your turn, you come. This is match the pictures with the names. This is horse. It must be, this is the horse spelling. Yes, this is horse. And this is zebra. You have to draw a line here. Zebra. And the third one is line. You have to match with it. Yes, line. And bear. This is, do you know about which animal is? This is bear. Yes, this is bear. And what is this? Elephant. Yes, elephant is remaining. This is an elephant. You can draw line like my lines. Okay, and what the picture of the, this is the picture of peacock, and this is the picture of peacock. This is the picture of peacock. You have to match it. Yes, okay, this is complete. Peacock is written. And this is the picture of duck. This is the duck. Spelling of duck is here written. Yeah, this is duck. Okay, this is the picture of parrot. This is the picture of parrot. You can match it with it. Yeah, parrot. And this is the picture of sparrow. Yes, sparrow. And this is the picture of ostrich, last one. And this is the picture of ostrich. Yes, you can say. Yeah, here this is the ostrich word, and this is the picture. Yes, this exercise has been completed. And activity B, write the names of the birds and animals you like. You can write duck, birds, a parrot. You can write PARROT, parrot. Duck, you can write DUCK. And ostrich, here you may write like this: parrot, ostrich, OSTRICH. Okay, animals name. Which animals are you liking? You may say lion, elephant, ELEPHANT. Okay, and lion, LION, lion. And horse, HORSE. Okay, the exercise has been completed here. This is parrot, duck, and ostrich. OSTR is written here. I, then CH. Okay, and elephant is spelled ELE. This is EPHANT, lion, a lion, horse. And come to the exercise again. You can match like this: horse, this is a horse line. And zebra, this is a zebra. And this is line, line word is written here. And this is bear. Okay, and this one is elephant. This is elephant. You have to match it with this. And the rest of exercise also has been completed. Peacock, this is the peacock. This is duck. Okay, you match with it. And this is parrot. Yeah, complete. Excellent. And this is Aspero. Okay. And the last one is ostrich. Yes, ostrich has been completed. View all the exercise again completely. Good. Thank you for watching.